Welcome to the Hoffman Group's newest listing at 305 Fowler Street in Columbia 29223. It is a new construction home with quality materials such as luxury vinyl plank flooring, has neutral paint throughout, upgraded light fixtures. The house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and has 1,050 square feet. It has a laundry room with a washer dryer hookup. The refrigerator will go right there. And then ample cabinet and counter space. We do have granite countertops. The appliances will go in prior to closing. The home features a split floor plan, which means the master bedroom's on one side. Sorry, we don't have power on in here right now, so it's a little dark. But we have the tile surround, the shower tub combo. It is a split floor plan, so on the opposite side of the house we have the other 2 bedrooms and the second bathroom. There's a concrete patio. And the yard will have sod when the house is complete. You don't have a house right on top of you here, so there is a little space in the yard. And you're going to have a pretty good sized backyard. If as a buyer you wanted it fenced, we could possibly work it into the sales price with a fair offer.